Salut à toutes et à tous, ici Skizzy. On va reprendre le let's play de Batman, on était à l'épisode 1. Je me rappelle, on s'est arrêté au moment où Harvey Dent, donc le maire, était dans un ascenseur. On va bien voir, on va bien voir. Il est actuellement 2h48, on tourne cette magnifique vidéo. Waouh, quelle classe, quel swag, quel charisme. Continuez l'épisode 1. Ah non, c'était pas Harvey Dent dans l'ascenseur, c'était Bruce Wayne, ok, my bad bro. Donc là on est dans la Batcave, c'est ça? It's me, man. Yeah. Oh là, tellement stylé, t'arrives, t'es là, t'es boum, tout s'allume et tout là. Pff, oh my god, man. Est-ce qu'il y a un personnage dans les Marvel qui a un chez-soi plus stylé? Genre, peut-être Tony Stark, mais vas-y, voilà, c'est une villa classique, je veux dire. Il est riche et tout. Le gros, il a une putain de cave avec des chauves-souris qui représentent son emblème et tout. Une voiture dans sa cave. Non, mec, c'est la classe, c'est la pure classe. That's my man, Batman, dude. Royaume de l'ombre. Et l'épisode 1, il commence là en fait. C'est les tickets de ses parents quand ils sont morts. Comme il avait été au théâtre là. Je crois, hein.
Not all of them. Let's see what she was really after.
Alors, récupérer la clé USB, dude. D'abord, on va vite faire un peu check. Voilà, codex, voilà, je crois que c'est où est-ce qu'ils montent tous les persos. On va pas faire ça en vidéo, mais c'est cool à lire, j'aime bien. Ok. Rapport de la presse. Ok, cool. Moi, je vais tout défiler au cas où. Ok. Ah, ah, ok. Euh... Elle est où la clé USB?
Should be able to read whatever data is on that stolen drive.
La clé USB. Ah, elle est là. Ah putain, elle est grande pour une clé USB, c'est un disque dur, frère.
Building for this.
On l'a vu sur Catwoman, hein, si vous vous rappelez bien, les petits potes. Les 8 millions d'abonnés qui nous regardent. Hop. Qu'est-ce qu'on va y trouver, suspense?
Let's find out what was so important. Encrypted.
Évidemment.
Wayne Manor has 7 bedrooms, 2
My
kitchens,
man.
a gymnasium, a basketball court, and a movie theater.
Et voilà.
Yet I always find you here, in a
Normal.
dark, damp cave, in front of a computer.
Oh, me
I'm more
plaît.
at home here than the rest of the house, you know that.
Then we should build an 8th bedroom down here.
Sure, I can see the headlines now. Bruce Wayne, billionaire, entrepreneur, cave dweller.
Quite an eclectic resume. Did you find out what that Catwoman tried to steal?
Well, in the process.
Femme chat. Ils ont traduit Catwoman par femme chat. C'est bizarre quand même.
Let me try a different angle.
My man is so smart. Pivoter l'hologramme. Que doit-on trouver?
This is a map of the east side
Okay.
shoreline. But it could mean any number of things. Money, weapons, drugs, everything flows through that port.
Maybe it's where Mayor Hill picks up his dry cleaning.
Can't make sense of it yet. There's still plenty of files to decrypt.
And in the meantime, I saved you what I could.
Thanks, Al.
Alfred.
For the bar, I had to literally pry Mrs. Zeller back away. But you'll be pleased to hear everyone has left.
C'est quoi son nom de famille, Alfred, déjà? Je me rappelle plus. Alfred Hitchcock. Pardon.
I'd recommend leaving the fistfights to your alter ego. Bloodstains are much harder to remove from a tuxedo.
Yeah. Thanks for the interruption.
Good.
And it wasn't for you, Bruce. I was worried I might drink all my good scotch. For the record, your father despised men like Falcone, thought they ruined Gotham's stellar reputation.
Back when it still had one?
It can again, Bruce. Though people like this Catwoman aren't helping. Is she new to town?
Never seen her before. Hopefully, she's just a tourist. I'll check the codex.
Ok, donc faut qu'on check le codex pour en apprendre plus sur la femme chat. Ici.
Found her.
On peut pas l'avoir nue là, y a pas. Nouveauté sur la crime impliquée dans une plusieurs à son sujet. Pas mal. Ok. C'était cool. Bon, on va arrêter let's play là. Ça fait 6 minutes.
Seems to lay
Non, je rigole. Je suis trop drôle.
You could learn a thing or two from her. You can't step outside without it ending up in the news lately. As Bruce or Batman.
Batman ne se cache pas.
That's not the point.
Tout le monde connaît Batman.
Criminals to know I'm out there.
Il est pas en mode.
Hiding from anybody.
I
En
was
mode non.
talking about Bruce.
Y'a qui comme super-héros qui veut pas qu'on le connaisse, genre?
I don't mean to beat a dead argument, but
No one's gonna
Daredevil en vrai.
trust me.
Miss
Enfin,
Vale
bref.
noticed your injuries, so did Mr. Dent.
Et Madame Veil, la journaliste, on se rappelle bien.
Together with the incident at the mayor's office, it would undo all the long nights and close calls we've endured to get here. You're in the spotlight more than ever.
C'est vrai.
You have to be careful.
Non, il a raison, on va dire il a raison, mon petit gars, parce que. Là, il-
You're right. I should have canceled the event.
I know how much pressure you're under. I don't mean to add to it.
It's okay. I know you're only looking out for me.
If we make a suit that fits me, we can trade places some night. Though I'm not partial to heights. Old men worry.
Alfred, hein,
that's all.
qui est la personne la plus
It's
proche de
a
Bruce,
curse.
celle à qui
One more
je
worry
donne ma
for the list.
entièrement 100% confiance. Ouais, je parle bien. Petite carte de visite de Monsieur Harvey. Pork, 6 a.m.
I saw Oz. It's been what, 20 years? Last time I saw him, we were in grade school.
Oz.
Indeed, you two
Est-ce
were
que vous
thick
vous
as
rappelez
thieves.
du petit mec qu'on avait vu sur la table?
Oswald
Ça a duré 2 secondes.
had that role
Oswald.
more naturally than you.
Oswald. Ami d'enfance, hein, c'est lui. On dit, tu me dis si tu sais c'est qui, sinon t'as vu pour l'instant je dis rien.
That's a criminal grand slam. Using the expression correctly.
Unfortunately, you are.
Oswald claimed
Quand je dis Andy,
to catch up, but his behavior following his family's
c'est
collapse is troubling.
c'est un
Why
petit
he's
pote,
returning now, I
rien de plus.
haven't the faintest idea.
Ce n'est pas une coïncidence. Il était là, t'as cru, il était là comme ça? Fuck no, nigga.
This Catwoman shows up around the same time Oswald comes back to town. Might not be a coincidence.
Oswald's crimes, numerous they may be, are on a much smaller scale than robbing City Hall.
Well, he was always trouble growing up, but it's the fun kind of trouble.
You both were. Even though you and young Master Cobblepot used to be close.
Je trouve Bruce il ressemble à Andy un peu.
Be cautious. But I know you can't abandon a
Les deux ils ont
good friend to
cette
the
classe, cette richesse,
Be
ce
careful.
charisme,
When you
ce
see
corps
what
d'Apollon,
became of his park, I think you will.
cette voix incroyablement badass. Ils ont un gros sexe tous les deux. Cobblepot Park, 6h06. Donc Cobblepot Park, hein, c'est un parc vraiment pas luxueux, hein, c'est les pauvres, tout ça quoi. Et il veut qu'on se rencontre là-bas, on va voir qu'est-ce qu'il a à nous dire, le petit Oswald, my nigga. Nous on est toujours un peu classe, hein. Oh le petit cul enculé, va. Petite chemise. Connais bye.
Where are you, Oz?
Where are you, Oz? Allez, c'est parti. Journal. Oh là! Peut-être marcher un petit peu vite. C'est pas grave, c'était rien de spécial, les amis. On a un sans-abri. On va donner des pièces, on est riche.
Thank you, sir.
Ah, de toute façon, il va mourir sûrement. Ah, cher. On peut pas examiner? Qu'est-ce qu'il a? Qu'est-ce qu'il a? Qu'est-ce qu'on a d'autre? En feu, on s'en bat les couilles un peu. We got a message, dude. En retard. Retrouve-moi à la statue.
Great.
Ose. Même pas de bonjour et tout.
The statue, but no eyes.
Il va arriver avec toute sa clique, ça se trouve. Gang, gang. Parler aux trafiquants. On peut pas lui demander de partir, lui? Avant que je m'énerve bêtement, là.
Hey, beat it.
Oh my god, you dead, dude. Heureusement, je suis un mec charismatique. Si on était dans le prototype, je t'aurais égorgé, gros. C'est la statue de qui, ça? Ah, c'est Sarkozy, putain, j'ai reconnu direct. C'est lui?
Watch wallet cash.
Non, c'est pas lui.
But this goes through you.
Nigga, the fuck? Nigga, the fuck?
Man. The hell are you waiting for?
Gros, on va pas se battre.
Sorry, fellas.
On rappelle qu'on s'est archi blessé, on a une putain de coupure et tout, il doit être épuisé, le pauvre.
End him.
On va leur donner s'ils veulent. My nigga Oswald, dude. On dit si tu sais c'est qui, tu me dis dans les commentaires, sinon c'est pas grave, tu verras plus tard.
You see, that's where you're mistaken. My old mate and I have some catching up to do. And you're...
Oh my god, fuck shit, dude! Oh my god, hey, I kicked in the face gently, dude! Oh my god, man, she plugged the ad like boom, punch in the fucking stomach, dude! Oh my god, straight himself! Knees in the face, boom, bam, bam, shit! Oh my god, he got a fucking gun, man! Oh my god! Oh lord! Oh my god! Jesus Christ!
No lives like you don't belong.
Oh, he's running in front of us. We just charged his fucking to his face with the guy's mouth and with a poor fucking woman. Oh my god, jeez.
This is my park. Mine. You hear that?
Yeah, get the fuck up. Bon bah il a du sang. Là c'est un rendez-vous mitigé.
Oh, hey Bruce, you've got a little there, good as new. Woo, that was a right little scrap, eh? Nothing kickstarts the system like a dash of adrenaline, eh? Besides, someone needed to deal with the rubber situation here. Places are
Allez,
dead.
merci du coup de main, on va être gentil.
Thanks for the backup.
I yanked you away from your bloody ivory tower, Bruce. Least I can do is make sure you don't get shanked.
That's very thoughtful of you.
It's been what? 2 decades?
2 decades, man, 20 ans, 20 fucking years. Tu sais quoi, c'est la première fois qu'on m'agresse depuis tout ce temps. Ce n'est pas la raison pour laquelle je t'ai fait venir, Bruce.
That wasn't why I
Imagine les gens, ils font des let's play comme ça, ils disent tout le temps les sous-titres et tout, ça doit être... Pour le moment, j'essaie de reconnaître le petit Bruce avec qui je courais partout, ici, point. Dit-il d'un accent hautain. Tu sais quand ça ressemblait pas à ça? À ça, entre guillemets. Ce parc avait beaucoup d'importance avant. Pardon les gars, excusez-moi, je suis... Pardon, il est 3h du mat, pile poil, hein.
People came from all over to visit. Oh, mom and dad, they put so much work
Il
in.
devrait être rasé, je suis
This
d'accord.
place is a wreck.
C'est mort, ça y est, il va pas, on va pas, ça va pas, voilà quoi. On met des
This
bâtiments.
park still matters to me, Bruce.
Moi je m'en fous, tu tiens encore autant
It's
pas.
all my folks left behind.
Fuck you. Parents, man.
This city chews right through people. Mum committed to Arkham.
Mère, elle est à Arkham.
Ended it himself, he did.
Avec le Joker et tout. Je me demande c'est qui sa mère, je me rappelle plus. J'ai hâte, ça se trouve elle est morte.
I know. Alfred told me.
It's funny, huh?
Vous avez hâte de voir le Joker les potes? Tapez 1 dans les commentaires si vous avez hâte de voir le Joker, sinon tapez 2 dans les commentaires.
Good life. Used to run in the same circles we did. Hobnobbing parties, round the world vacations, unlimited potential. Now all I got is this park.
Allez, on va dire je suis désolé Oz, on va pas faire oui moi aussi.
I'm
On est adulte, mature,
No one should
on
have to
compatit.
do that.
Thanks, Bruce. But we are not the only ones suffering.
Mais bon pourquoi vous voulez me voir là? Vas-y, parle frère.
Good to know you haven't changed, Bruce. You still care about something more than just yourself. Although, I was surprised to see Carmine Falcone at your party last night. Made himself right at home. That oily. Wish I could
Je
have
ne l'ai
punched
pas
that
invité.
in the back of his throat.
C'est vrai, hein?
Falcone was an uninvited guest. That's it.
Opportuniste, traduit par uninvited guest, traduit par opportuniste,
We
moi.
can agree in earnest. Falcone made a stack of cashing corpses a mile high, ruining families like mine. All he needs is a little push.
En gros, c'était le meilleur ami de Bruce Wayne à l'époque, t'as vu quoi, il y a 20 ans, frère.
It'd be a treat to watch him at pavement. Sorry, mate. This reunion got a lot more grim than I planned. Things are gonna be on
Dire que Telltale ont fermé. Pardon, ne pas parler de choses tristes.
Revolution is knocking on Gotham's door, and I'm here to let it in.
Ah, il barre.
Which brings
C'est ça
me
pour
to
ça,
you,
hein.
Bruce. You
Ah.
see, you throw a rock in any direction, you break a window that Wayne Enterprises owns. As the rich and powerful go, oh, you top Gotham's list. But when my revolution starts, we're gonna smash windows.
J'aimerais bien avoir un père riche comme Dan Bilzerian.
Like I said, it's not gonna be pretty. It's gonna be beautiful. And I can't
Je ne
wait
suis
to
pas
get
ton ennemi.
started.
I'm
Oz.
not your enemy, Oz.
Oh.
Remains to be seen, don't it? I've got great affection for you, Bruce. I really do. Which is why I'm warning you. When this whole thing starts, make sure you're on the right side.
Oh my god. Moi, je fais ce qui est bon pour la ville. M'en fous des amitiés, ça fait 20 ans que je t'ai pas vu, j'étais très bien sans toi, my nigga.
Cheers.
Moi, je veux juste baiser Selina Kyle, Catwoman, Femme Chat. Voiture attend au sud du parc. Let's fucking go, my nigga. Conférence de presse. La conférence de presse, frère. On dirait il est dans la nuit, 4h du mat, c'est une conférence de presse. Ça, c'est à nous, ça, c'est notre manoir. Putain, c'est. Genre, c'est balèze et tout, mais je sais pas, je trouve ça un peu lugubre. Ça fait. J'aime pas, j'aimerais pas habiter là. My nigga Bruce Wayne in fucking Ferrari, dude. La future voiture d'Andy.
Mr. Wayne, over here, right here.
This way.
Bruce, Bruce!
On va dire bonjour, on a un gars bien. On n'est pas comme. T'as eu une offre, les paparazzi?
Morning, Mr. Dent.
Hey, Bruce, you mind if we swap cars? I mean, mine isn't fast and the paint's rusting off, but boy, does she have charm. We didn't come all out here to discuss cars, honestly. Now, we're here about Arkham Asylum. Ever since it opened its doors, Arkham has been a breeding ground for the criminally insane. Its
Alfred, il veut
methods
qu'on
for
parle.
rehabilitation, crude. Its
Oh là là.
security, lacking.
Je sais que c'est mal poli, mais si il sait qu'on a la conférence, s'il part, c'est que c'est important. On va mettre qu'est-ce qu'il y a.
Truly terrifying. And we're still those who do get out, or God forbid escape, are even more dangerous than before they went in. Arkham Asylum is a cancer on Gotham.
Ok, ça va, c'est rapide.
But today, with a sizable contribution from this man here, we break
Qu'est-ce qu'il veut,
ground
Alfred? J'espère
on
qu'il y a
a
rien de grave.
state-of-the-art mental health care facility, one that will improve the well-being of Gotham and its citizens for years to come. And Mr. Wayne has a few
Je trouve les choix avec
words
Harvey
to
Dent qui
say.
sont chauds parce que d'un côté on est son pote, on le soutient et des fois il fait des trucs pas ouf et tout. Les malades ont besoin de nous.
For those with mental health issues, there are no cuts or scrapes. Their ailments are often invisible, but inside, they're suffering. You know, when I was 9 years old, my parents took me to see a movie about a hero.
Ils sont morts.
A hero who stood up to oppression and defended the people from injustice, no matter the cost. That night, my parents paid the ultimate cost defending
C'est
me
là
from a
que
man.
Batman est né. C'est la journaliste Vicky
Need
Vale.
the kind of help this new facility will provide.
Ensemble, nous changerons Gotham.
With this facility and our next mayor, we change Gotham.
Today, on the anniversary
Ah, on
of
est
that
coupé sur la
fateful
joue. Ah bah
night,
oui, comment on s'étape.
we dedicate this facility to Thomas and Martha Wayne and usher in a new era of healing for Gotham.
I'm sure you all have plenty of questions about the new hospital, so let's open it up.
Vicky
You
Vane,
first, Miss
yes.
Thank you.
La
With
déglingue.
the opening of this new hospital, what does this mean for Arkham Asylum? What happens to the old building?
Les jours sont révolus, hein.
I think Arkham has only done harm to Gotham. It's made criminals more unstable, put our citizens in jeopardy. We can do better. All right, who's up next? You there.
Mr. Wayne, Julia Remark of the Tribune.
La déglingotier.
Welcome to legend mob boss Carmine Falcone into your home.
C'est lui, il est venu tout seul. Falcon n'est pas un ami. Je veux pas m'affilier à lui. Je suis désolé, pote,
I
mais.
don't make friends with gangsters. He was an unwelcome guest. That's all.
J'espère que ça va pas retomber sur moi, ça.
Question, please.
Et là, il va débarquer avec des pompes.
Please keep your questions on topic, people. We're here about the hospital, remember?
Ah, on peut pas là, je suis désolé, ignoré. Désolé, gros, ça va être rapide. Allez, on répond vite, on répond vite. On est poli. Après, c'est bon, ils auraient dit.
Thomas Wayne.
What exactly are you implying?
Transactions connected to organized crime going back years and continuing to this day. The paper trail ties your family directly to the
C'est pas ce que
mob.
vous croyez! Non, c'est faux! Qui d'autre a reçu cette preuve? J'ai pas envie de faire aucun commentaire, ça veut dire on est coupable. Genre,
Did
putain, j'ai
anyone
hâte.
else receive this evidence?
The Globe, the Gazette, we all did. Mr. Wayne, is all your money dirty?
Calmez-vous!
Built on lies?
Calmez!
This, Bruce?
Attends! Pardon,
Does the mob
excuse-moi.
sign Wayne Enterprises paychecks?
Oula, attends, ça va être trop vite. Cette interview est terminée.
All right, this press conference is over.
Mr. Wayne!
How long has your family been dealing with Falcone? Could the allegations be true?
Non, mais là, arrêtez, arrêtez ça.
This, Bruce. I don't know where the hell it's coming from. Damage control's my territory. We'll talk later. Everyone, please settle down. I'll be fielding your questions from
Vite,
here
vite,
on
vite,
out.
on va répondre à notre pote. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Faites, c'est urgent, vite, 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 vite.
Bruce, I've been trying to reach you.
Oh,
The police are inside the manor.
oh non. La police est dans le manoir. Où est-ce qu'on a mis la drogue? Non, je rigole, on n'est pas. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, holy fuck, I'm straight. Non.
Hey,
Oh non, non, pourquoi? Qu'est-ce qu'ils prennent tout? Non.
Mr. Wayne.
C'est à cause de. Oh, Mr. Gordon.
This
Lui, il sait pas qu'on est Batman, hein, je le rappelle.
It's not personal. I had the boys turn the lights off, keep a low profile.
I understand. You're just doing your job, Lieutenant.
Trying to. It's hard to be a cop in this city. Every battle's uphill, in the rain, with skates on.
Alfred, keep an eye on them. Make sure they only take what they have to.
Of course, sir. I meant what I said about not personal. We only want files related to Wayne Enterprises.
Ah, c'est la merde.
It covers your place, pardon me, places of residence, and any companies you own. Your holdings are extensive.
Qui vous a donné l'autorisation?
Your taxes.
Who authorized this?
I know you and the DA are buddy-buddy, but this one came from the top. It's a valid warrant. I gotta serve it. Mayor Hill signed off on this himself. As long as he's mayor, he calls the shots.
Le maire, il est corrompu.
Well, Hill has
C'est
a
vrai, ouais.
history of making his opposition disappear.
Rumors and allegations, Mr. Wayne, that's all.
Lui, il veut rester maire,
But
peut-être
if
pas
they
que ça
become
arrêter.
fact, I'll handcuff him
Comme nous, on
myself,
soutient
same as
Dance.
any other crook. I don't know
Il nous
how
fout
you
dans la
like ending
merde.
up on Mayor Hill's chopping block, but here we are.
Hill knows if I go down, Harvey's campaign goes
Voilà.
down too.
That'd be a real shame. Mr. Dent's the only DA I ever trusted to make a conviction stick. As mayor, I think he can finally turn things around for us. For all our sakes, I pray you've got nothing to hide.
Oh, je vais l'enculer si c'est une photo de mes parents là, gros. Oh non, il a fait tomber une photo qui est importante. Allez, c'est bon. Laisse ton bijou te prendre le contrôle de toi.
Take whatever you want.
You don't have to do this.
Bruce. Bruce.
Did you
Bruce?
fail once again? Si t'es pas là pour me sucer, casse-toi de là.
I didn't mean to interrupt, but
Allez, aucun problème. Mais gentil.
It's not a problem, really.
Bruce. First the mayor's office, now Wayne Manor. Gotham continues its streak of break-ins.
You're really going for the record, huh?
Listen, Bruce. A scandal surrounding a beloved family like yours captures the public's attention. I can help you get the right kind of attention. Through my connections at the Gazette, I have all kinds of access. I can dig up whatever you need to fight this.
Quel est votre point de
What's
vue?
your angle?
Dis-moi en plus.
Not all reporters just want a headline. Some of us are old-fashioned. I still want the truth. The Gazette received this supposed evidence like every other media outlet, and it's all hearsay. Flimsy sources. There isn't a shred of hard proof.
Still, allegations like this, they don't magically appear. Someone is going after my family, after me.
Obviously, the sender didn't identify themselves. We
Faudrait qu'il
have
fasse un enfant,
no
Wayne, frère. On est le
idea
seul
who
Bruce
it could
Wayne
be.
vivant là ou?
I mean, no one's even done their due diligence on this yet. The press saw the fumble, they grabbed the ball and ran.
Ça y est aux élections, bah
Not
oui,
every
c'est
day
sûr.
you get to go after a Wayne.
Hill wants me out of the picture because with my backing, Harvey wins in a landslide. All signs point to Hill.
You're a kingmaker, Mr. Wayne. And Harvey Dent is Gotham's knight in shining armor just waiting for the crown. You're the first target on Hill's list. By tonight, this scandal will be broadcast to every screen in Gotham. Everyone will be talking about it.
This isn't my first pass through the rumor mill. I know the damage it can do.
Then go on the record. Right here, right now, and stop it. You need to get out ahead of this. Your side
Oh.
is what matters, not wild speculation.
Ah, j'ai pas des couilles. Vas-y, on va commenter. De toute façon, on est dans la merde. Pourquoi pas se mettre encore plus dans la merde?
Whenever you're ready.
Ma famille est
The
innocente.
Wayne family has
Bah,
always been a
je crois que c'est pas vrai.
cornerstone
Je
of
suis sûr,
Gotham.
ils... oh.
We've never had and never will have connections to organized crime.
That's exactly what the people of
J'aurais dû
Gotham
dire
need.
justice sera faite quand même. On sait jamais, on est impliqué, on le sait pas, tu sais, c'est le passé.
You're gonna beat this, Bruce. The Waynes always come out on top.
Goodbye, Miss Vale.
Petit bisou. Ah. Je pense que ça se doit.
I hate to admit it, but everyone smells smoke. A fire is heading this way.
Batman has made plenty of enemies, but my family? We've done nothing but support Gotham, even in its darkest days.
All this on the anniversary of your parents'
It's not a coincidence. Harvey's the district attorney. He should have told me this was coming.
Then find out why he didn't.
Café triste, 17h23.
A warrant?
Eh ouais, un mandat, gros. Qu'est-ce que t'as à me dire là?
What the hell's going on?
Peste tes yeux.
Does this have to do with what the reporters were talking about this morning? That press conference turned into a bloodbath.
Yeah, someone's coming after me.
Let's avoid making another scene, shall we? The press is already up my ass as it is. Mayor Hill authorized this?
Yeah, then the cops raid my house, taking everything related to Wayne Enterprises. Computers, hard drives, files.
Oh, son of a bitch.
You're the goddamn DA, Harvey.
I didn't know about this. I swear. Hill totally blindsided me on this one.
Ah ouais.
God damn it. He has no right to issue search warrants without my okay.
Okay, I believe you, Harvey. Mayor Hill's trying to screw us both over with this move.
And then he's made 2 enemies.
I just don't get it. Why would Hill stick his neck out over this? Just to tangle you up in some frivolous investigation? That just doesn't make sense. I mean, what could he possibly hope to accomplish other than a few...
Bon, il dirait que c'est Falcone alors que t'as vu, je compte bien le découvrir.
I intend to find
On
out.
sait jamais.
Easy, Bruce. Oh, God, what a mess. Bruce, I wish I could just make this go away, but I'm not sure if I can. If I get in the way of this investigation, Hill would be able to spin it as a conflict of interest. And that wouldn't be good for either of us. It would jeopardize the entire campaign.
Garde ta distance un petit peu.
You should probably distance yourself from me.
What? No, I can't do that.
Well, you may have to.
Don't say that. You...
There you are.
Hey, you!
Grrr, grrr,
We
grrr,
gotta have a
grrr, grrr.
No,
Oh,
no,
miaou,
just-
miaou. Ah oui, putain, ils sont en couple, c'est vrai, j'avais oublié ça. Oh non, c'est horrible, mec. Il va se passer tellement de choses, c'est horrible. Oh non, mec, je veux pas continuer.
You didn't tell me you were bringing a friend to dinner.
Bon, là, comme on l'a tapé, elle a un petit bleu.
I hope I'm not interrupting.
Il sait pas que c'est Catwoman, évidemment.
Just election nonsense.
Je pense que nous nous sommes déjà rencontrés.
Welcome a change of topic.
I think we've met before.
You do look familiar.
Everyone knows who Bruce Wayne is.
Do they?
Pleasure to meet you, Miss...
Kyle. It's a strong grip you've got there.
Salope.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna fall.
Oh, right, sorry.
Selena's new to town. I've been showing her around Gotham, introducing her to people.
You're an excellent tour guide, Harv.
Well, if I lose the election, I guess I can drive one of those double-decker tour buses around town.
Comment vous vous êtes fait cet œil au beurre noir?
Did you get that
Enfin,
shot?
discret, mais...
Bruce?
Ah.
It's okay. Money doesn't buy manners, right?
Oh, pardon. Quelle pute.
I was mugged. I'm just angry I let that masked freak get away with all my stuff.
I still can't believe I let you walk home alone. I should have called you a car.
Qu'avez-vous perdu?
I sure hope whatever you took was
J'adore.
valuable.
Actually, it was.
Ah, ouais, c'est un petit disque dur, quand même, clé USB. Hein.
Whatever that idiot took.
I hope not. These were important materials.
Ooh, sensitive?
Very. I don't know how I'm gonna explain this to my client. When things like this happen in my line of work, people tend to overreact.
We should just be thankful you got
Que
away with
faites-vous
it.
dans la vie?
So, what do you do for a living?
It's complicated. High risk, high reward.
Intéressant.
Stock market, huh?
Something like that. At least I'm not the only one who's taken a beating. That press conference? Oof.
We've got it under control.
Do you?
I'll handle it. Someone at my office has to know what's going on. Excuse me a moment. Hey, it's Harvey.
Pas gênant. Dans sa tête, il est en mode je crois savoir qui tu es. Et elle est en mode je sais qui tu es.
Nice to meet the real you.
Oh my god, she knows, dude. Oh. De même, on va pas faire le mode. Non, c'est pas moi. Ouais, on sait très bien,
This
c'est bon.
explains a lot, actually. How you can afford the fancy armor, the toys. Wouldn't Harvey be surprised? Not to mention, everyone in this cafe.
Désolé pour l'œil.
Sorry about the black eye.
It's not the first time a man's hit me.
Sorry to hear that.
Don't worry. I'm not gonna expose you. Yeah.
Ouais, j'espère sinon je te tue.
I'm curious about something, though. I do what I do for money, but you're Bruce Wayne. What's your excuse? I have to. But you.
Allez, on va être en mode j'ai mes raisons, ça fait un peu badass, tu vois, elle va me sucer comme ça.
The rest is my secret.
And here I was thinking we were starting to get somewhere. How disappointing.
Ouais, non. Viens chez moi, on va apprendre à mieux se connaître. Harvey Dent ou pas, je m'en bats les couilles. La baise, moi.
I want it back.
T'as que l'USB?
This is awkward
Fuck
for
no,
me.
man.
I'm used to robbing people, not the one being robbed.
Ça a l'air important.
It must be important.
Ah oui, elle a mon arme, c'est vrai, j'aurais pu mettre si tu as quelque chose qui m'appartient.
You don't know
Elle a mon
what I've
grappin.
stolen.
It's not my business to know. My clients don't know who I am, and I don't know who they are, or what they're moving.
But you know who I am.
These people I'm working for, they don't screw around. If I fail to deliver that drive, it's gonna cost a lot more than money.
Well, looks like you've made your bed.
No, we've made this bed, and I'm not gonna lie in it alone. You owe me. If they don't get what they want, there will be consequences. I don't like consequences.
All right, you want my help? You got it. What can I do?
You can give me back the drive.
Not possible.
Listen, I don't have a lot of time. My employer is expecting me to drop it off.
Where?
Just give it back.
The address. Now.
No, give me the drive.
Tu dois me faire confiance. Hop.
You're just going to have to trust me.
I don't do trust. I guess I'm screwed either way. My contact, he'll be expecting a cat, not a bat.
When are you supposed to meet him?
15 minutes ago.
Ah, elle est en retard.
Hurry.
Everything okay here?
You tell me.
I have my people working on it. We're gonna straighten everything out.
I feel better already. Sorry, but I've got to run.
So soon? Aren't you gonna stay for a drink?
Yeah, Bruce. Stay for a drink?
I'd love to, but I've got another appointment and I really don't want to be late for it.
Oh, all right then. Don't forget to change into your suit.
Don't screw it up. Ok, elle nous a donné l'adresse, on va y aller pour elle, genre avec le disque dur. Avec la clé, putain, je confonds.
Alfred, I'm at the warehouse. No sign of Catwoman's contact. It's quiet.
The sound of an ambush. Stay on guard.
Stop là. Là, on va stop. Ah, tout le monde est mort. Ah non, je sais pas si on va stop, on va analyser, non?
This wasn't a handoff. It was a massacre.
How many?
I'd have to count the pieces.
Oh, good lord. Who could have done such a thing?
That's what I'm gonna find out.
Gordon, Eastside Docks, Warehouse 133.
Alors. Ah ouais, faudra lier les trucs. Donc là, on a les traces de brûlure.
Analyzing. It's a volatile chemical. Potential psychoactive nerve agent. Vile stuff.
Be very, very careful with that. Who knows what effect it may have?
Have the computer catalog the compound for further analysis.
As you wish.
Reste d'humains pulvérisés. Des beaux petits intestins, ça donne faim. Ok, on peut essayer de les lier, mais est-ce que, attends, ça se lie à ça? Ah bah oui, une explosion, normalement ça doit être bon.
Whatever exploded did so with enough force to obliterate the person standing next to it. But the chemicals themselves were inert, non-explosive.
Well, it appears to have made a pretty big boom.
I'll I'll see what I can piece back together.
Ok, là on a un mercenaire décédé.
I've seen these outfits before. Same mercs that broke into City Hall.
Et... ça c'est un méchant ça. Port de conteneur. Oh, on peut l'ouvrir. Qu'est-ce qu'on a? Fragment de tonneau.
Looks like a bullet started this.
A normal bullet couldn't have caused that explosion.
Doesn't appear normal. The point of entry's melted.
Ok. Pour associer ça à quoi? Palette.
Canisters were stored here. Canisters of what?
Ok. Qu'est-ce qu'on a d'autre? Épicentre de l'explosion. Rose blanche.
White rose.
Qui dépose des roses blanches? Je sais même plus.
Calling card.
Ah, c'est Falconet, ok.
He's been busy as of late.
Send the drones hunting. I want to know his every move.
Good thinking, sir.
Bonne idée, il a dit, hein, on est fort. Mercenaire décédé.
That bad?
Ouais, il est mort méchamment lui, hein. Yeah, visage mutilé.
Face slashed. Throat torn open.
Oui, là.
So, not natural causes then.
Poche.
Skyline Club.
Ok. Un policier brûlé. Oh putain. Mais tout noir.
This
On dirait la
man's been
Béric.
badly burned, but the damage seems to originate from inside his skull. What did this?
Ah.
Sensors say it's an incendiary round. Phosphorus residue. This could have superheated the contents of the canister.
Causing the aforementioned boom.
Qu'est-ce qu'on a d'autre? Des mains. Les ongles caressés, les morceaux.
Bits of human flesh.
Des gore, hein. Ok, donc. Bah du coup, visage acéré pour moi ça va avec ses mains. Parce qu'il lui a arraché la gorge, il a dit.
The cop shredded this merc to pieces, barehanded.
God, what would cause someone to do that?
The nerve agent could make them psychotic.
Ça c'est fait. Ensuite, la balle incendiaire, on va la relier ici.
Find a connection.
The bullet that killed the cop is the same type that blew up the canister.
I'm sure they didn't find that at a local gun store.
It appears military.
Ok. Donc il nous manque épicentre de l'explosion. Il manque un truc qu'on n'a pas vu alors. Ça on va le lier à quoi? Ah, on a un truc là. Policier abattu.
It's a cop. The force grows thinner every day.
Ok, rien de spécial. Y'a rien là? Ah. Zone non brûlée. J'avais pas vu.
Something was here when the explosion occurred.
Ok, donc. Ça fait quoi si j'associe ça à ça? Ah, ok, il y a une tuture.
Someone drove off after the explosion.
Have you put it together?
Ok, c'est bon, on a tout fait au calme. Putain, on a que ça à faire là. On veut stop, nous.
Falcone leaving his rose here. This is a message. Dead cops, stolen chemicals. He's making a big move.
Oh là là.
One of his snipers hit a canister with an incendiary bullet.
Ok,
causing it
il a
to
tiré
superheat
là.
and explode.
Ça a fait boum.
This may have been a distraction or a way of destroying evidence. Cops moved in to stop the theft. Falcone's men gunned him down.
Ok, ils sont fight.
Then things turned grim. Possibly due to the psychoactive nerve agent.
Là, une fois, il lui a arraché la gueule, ok.
Rourke's face with his bare hands. It was put down. Same sniper, same type of bullet. Looks
Et il
like
part.
Falcone's men got what they wanted and escaped.
Have you located the shooter?
No, but based on two impact trajectories, the canister and the dead cop, the shooter could only have a clear shot from there, or there, and would have contaminated himself with the phosphorus residue. Program the skimmers to pick up that signature.
Right away, sir.
Il a l'intelligence, Batman, hein. S'accrocher. Là, on a le grappin alors que Selinaka, il est censé nous l'avoir pris, hein, mais bon, on en a plusieurs, on est riche, on va dire. Est-ce qu'on a des traces de balles, de phosphore?
Both targets could have been shot from here, but no phosphorus trace.
Ok, pas ici. Donc je vais aller là-bas, aux escaliers. I'm only human. Andy, je t'aime.
Bad angle. No trace of phosphorus though.
Ok, bah c'est là-bas alors. Comme par hasard, c'est le dernier, j'ai pas de chance. Passerelle.
Phosphorus spike. Clear vantage point. We have a winner.
Ok, on a les traces de résidus.
This is the right spot.
Vas-y, c'est bon, c'est long les scènes d'analyse, je m'en bats les couilles, gros. Oh là là, ils peuvent pas faire ça en cinématique accélérée. Une cigarette, waouh! Cette cigarette a été fumée. Elle a des traces de lèvres, de rouge à lèvres d'une femme. Ah, putain, c'est bon, on n'est pas dans une New York unité spéciale.
Trace stops here.
La piste s'arrête ici. Intéressant, Dexter.
Found him.
Ok, il est là. Il est mort, évidemment. Ah non, il va mort. Oh, on va l'interroger, on va l'interroger, on va l'interroger. Je fais le méchant, je nique sa mère, ce bâtard, je suis qui? Non, je suis Batman, Batman, c'est un gentil, je suis personne. Mais on va se faire souffrir. Oh, un peu là, j'ai chaud.
Don't make me add your corpse to this graveyard. Falcone, why did he do this?
I ain't telling you nothing.
Ah ouais?
You can't make me talk.
Talk, and I spare you an ambulance ride. The police won't offer the same. Not to a cop killer.
Rather chance them than talk to a clown like you.
Allez, on va le frapper. M'énerver.
You trying to scare a confession out of me? I won't break.
Your bones will.
Je vais niquer ta mère, bâtard.
You're a freaking animal.
Ah ouais, je suis un animal, je suis une sauce-souris. J'entretiens ma réputation. On est marrant.
To my reputation. You know you can bleed to death without ever spilling a drop. All on the inside. Tell me the plan, or I start swinging.
Ah ouais? Ça marche. Casser le visage. Mur. Oh gros, j'ai envie de lui niquer le visage, mais vas-y, on va faire le mur parce que t'as eu Batman là. Mais on lui fait peur là.
The Catwoman supposed to hand over a drive, had the container number we needed, but she flaked. So we had to find it ourselves. Container by container.
Ok.
Someone must have heard us. Called the cops. We were told no witnesses.
Why risk open war with the GCPD?
Some kind of chemicals. Falcone wanted them.
What are the chemicals for?
We were paid to steal them, not ask questions.
On lui casse le bras.
I start here and keep breaking until you answer.
The chemicals! There's some kind of explosive! A weapon! I don't know! Falcone said he'd use them soon!
Used where?
That's all I know! I swear! I swear! I told you everything I know!
On le casse?
You're an animal!
Ah, je le casse, je le casse, je le casse. Ça l'apprendra à voir, je fais des flics.
Unsteady again. Jesus Christ.
Oh Gordon, vite on part! On part, on part! On part là, Gordon disparaître. Oh putain! La première fois j'avais disparu, j'ai envie de... Non, l'épisode il est trop long, on va disparaître les gars. En plus après imagine il croit que c'est moi, bon.
I was wrong. Gonna need that ambulance too. The hell's going on tonight, Lieutenant?
Batman.
Non, non, c'est pas nous hein. Hop là. Le lieutenant Gordon a remarqué votre violence. Non, non, Gordon, je t'aime moi. Non, 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 non.
You assume the persona of a bat, but you're not an animal.
Mais bon, elle a juste pété le bras, arrêtez de me faire la morale. Mais on a tué personne, on a juste pété le bras. On dit si t'es d'accord avec moi, mais appuie sur 7. Si t'es pas d'accord, appuie sur 12.
And neither did I.
Il est toujours en vie, carrément.
He's still alive.
Et en plus, il va bien, il a un bras, gros.
And in the hospital.
Et alors? Il est pas mort.
Next
Un Fred
time,
Hitchcock de
in the
merde.
morgue. Especially now during this preposterous attack on your family. You must show the world the true nature of a Wayne.
Giving everything to the city and then being murdered for
Ouais,
it.
c'est ça, ouais.
Yes, exactly. Every time you leave this cave. You're a good man, Bruce.
Bien sûr, je suis un mec bien. Bruce, c'est moi. C'est Andy, pardon.
Don't lose that.
Andy, c'est un homme bien.
I don't mean to be a doddering old fool on the subject, but as a friend, the burden of advice falls on me.
Vous pouvez me faire confiance.
Trust me, I won't lose my way.
Eh ouais, je reste toujours serein, t'inquiète, ma gueule. Bâtard, moi, je
Quite
ta putain.
understandable to stray from the path now and again. So long as you can find your way back. You bury the person, Bruce, but you never bury the man.
That night, that alleyway, it made me who I am. I can't get it out of my head.
That is your gift and your curse. Being back
Très bonne réplique, c'est votre dos et votre malédiction.
back the tide of treachery
Comme moi,
that's
mon don c'est Andy, mais ma malédiction c'est lui.
or
Parce
drowned
que,
in sorrow.
à cause de lui,
When you doubt your fate,
je vais devoir tuer quelqu'un dans ma vie.
why you
Au nom
stand
d'Anaïs.
for this. Remember that boy in the alley.
Non, on va pas les déchirer, gros, on les
I
accepte, t'es
won't
fou.
forget.
Imagine. Déchirer les trucs de nos pères et tout. Jamais Bruce il ferait ça, gros.
Well,
Oh, il a été décrypté, ça y est.
back into the fray again.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dedans? Et les gars, vous saurez pas ce qu'il y a dedans. Voilà, c'est un prochain épisode. On a fait un épisode de presque 1 heure. J'espère que ça vous a plu. Allez, n'hésitez pas à mettre un dislike. Et si vous a plu, mettez un dislike aussi. Et si ça vous a pas plu, mettez un like. Allez, salut les amis.